If you're using UFLI, you already know how powerful the lesson structure is, but managing materials, transitions, and student responses can quickly slow instruction down. This student response workbook was designed to solve that problem. Inside the workbook, you'll find 128 lessons aligned to the UFLI scope and sequence. Each lesson captures the full instructional flow in one place. Phonemic awareness, writing letters and sounds, blending and segmenting, new concept and word mapping, word work, reviewing and teaching irregular words, and connected sentence writing. Instead of passing out multiple resources, students stay engaged with one consistent format. Students know what to expect, which keeps transitions smooth and instructional time focused. You choose the sounds, the words, and the pace. Because students are writing, mapping, and spelling every day, you're strengthening the connection between reading and encoding, not just checking off skills. This workbook isn't meant to replace UFLI instruction. It's designed to support it by keeping student responses organized, purposeful, and instructionally aligned. If you have any questions about how this workbook fits into your UFLI lessons, I'm always happy to help.